Peri Blackman and we're in the Farm Star Living Demo Kitchen. Today we're going to make Peri & Sons Sweetie Sweet Onion Risotto. When I said Sweetie Sweet onions, I'm not kidding. These are really sweet. As a matter of fact, Peri & Sons has their own seeds and they then hand harvest their onions and send them to a third-party lab that examines the sugar content. So they have to have just the right amount of ratio of sugar to make sure you're going to have the most caramelizing, tasty, and sweet onions out there. And that's their guarantee. We're going to make your basic standard risotto, but we're going to change it up and it's going to be our Sweetie Sweet Onion Risotto. We're going to saute the onions, the garlic, and then we're going to add our arborio rice. Let that get nice and toasty. Then we're going to deglaze the pan with some white wine and then slowly add the chicken stock to make it rich and creamy. And when that's finished and it looks delish, we're going to add some Parmesan and sea salt. And then, you know what's even better? We're going to top it off with more Sweetie Sweet onions. Mwah! So let's get started. That was really easy and the whole kitchen smells so good. I can't wait to have a bite. But you know, one thing I want to appreciate just for a second is the caramel color of these onions. You know, most people have to put sprinkled sugar in with their onions when they're caramelizing them. But with these Sweetie Sweet onions, I didn't even have to do that. It's a perfect color, the perfect consistency. They look fantastic. So I'm going to have a little bite and I'll tell you how they are. Oh wow, you're gonna love this. This is so good. Only thing I think it needs is a little bit of vino. Cheers.